What up, it's your boy Aram. I'm back with another video. I'm about to go pick up some new wheels for the truck.
Bitch, I came back with a vengeance. Parked outside, can't see you in. It's dark and it's 5% tin. I'ma drive this motherfucker like I stole it. Can't pull over, got a pole in. Probably got your hoe in. Dope baby, suck my soul in. I don't even know the bitch. Arrow with a cooling kit. She asked me, can she hold it shit? She gon' let it go. Nah, I had to burn shit down. No wave, I remain east side town. Got a sniper off the ground, down for you to sound. Sick my dogs on your house, Charlie Brown. Chopper ringing up the hook, bitch. I don't do no dates, but I might take a bitch to hook fish. I told the sister, cause I don't like no sudden movements. Chalk a nigga out, and I'm not talking no post. Selling Whitney Bobby Browns on the line to the music. Niggas thinking they hot, they should not quit their day job. I don't know what label's about to say, yo.
Sheesh, Phoenix is lit right now. God damn. Sheesh. Are these the wheels right here or what?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? Enrique.
Oh, Ernesto.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, they've just been sitting here for a while.
God damn, boy. They clean, bro. Nothing wrong with them, right?
Nah, nothing.
I bet. You gonna sell me that plate too?
Oh, yeah.
I got you, bro.
Here.
Hell yeah. Damn, bro. Sheesh. 4-star performance wheels, guys. ¿Cómo se va a mirar? Drop a comment what you guys think. Sheesh. Hell yeah.
These are the brackets for you.
Hell yeah. Yeah, because I think I'm going to do that conversion this weekend.
Yeah, because you got the rotor, so you're going to need them.
I was thinking about doing that or going to get a different diff.
Nah, my friend says don't do that.
No?
Nah, because he says he did that.
Yeah.
And since he's got like a 6.0 in it, he says that it blew up after that. Like,
Oh,
diff
yeah?
broke. So it's better that to just keep it like that and to put the...
One of my buddies told me to go on 1320 and then it tells you everything that's on there. Right side caliper, left side caliper, and then disc.
Oh, I got the list if you want me to send it to
Yeah.
you.
Send it to me because I think I'm just going to go to AutoZone because all I really needed to order from online was this.
Mm-hmm.
And then, you know.
Yeah, I think I remember for everything it was like 200.
Yeah?
It wasn't a lot.
Hell yeah, bro. Let me put this in my truck real quick.
Alright, no problem.
What you want, 900? What you want, 20s or 100s? Alright, hold on. I'm honestly hyped, fool, to see how it's gonna look.
I was gonna put them on mine, but yeah, I don't have that much time for them right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on this, but alright.
Let me pay you real quick. Oh, you dropped something.
Let's make sure it's recording. Alright, cool.
How much does all out charge for us?
They're doing 500 right now.
500?
That's the only reason I'm down for it, fool. Is like I'll get it, and all I'm gonna do, honestly, all I really want to do, fool, is I just want to get the spark plugs, NGK TR6s or whatever, and then I want to get new plugs, and then an intake, and a catch cam for the intake. That's it, because the transmissions need. That fool always does my transmissions. He gets down, bro. He gets down. People say no, but I've never had any issues with Junior's transmissions, bro. Never.
I went with Antonio.
Yeah. Oh, I heard of APT or some shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I ever built a truck, I think we'll go with him.
Yeah. And he offers more.
He's like $2,500 though for a fucking tranny, but it's worth it.
Yeah. Like for my brothers, he's got a Trailblazer SF.
Yeah.
And for a stage 2 4L60, he charged $1,900, but he got like a year of warranty on it.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I'm hyped, bro.
Yeah.
I'm so hyped because like, dicen que no los encuentra the set. Like some fool named Jordan was like, "Hey, I'll buy the front set." I'm like, "I'll think about it."
Yeah. I think like at first I had them for $1,200, but
Ya sabes como la gente, güey.
yeah,
no.
they just don't got money right now.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, just for the back wheels, I paid like $750.
No, güey, sí te
So
creo, güey.
So I was like, that's a good deal.
verga. Yeah, fool. I was like, I'm gonna hop on these. I seen you post it, I'm like, oh hell no, I'm gonna be the first nigga to get them.
Yeah, I was just about to pay them for some other reason.
Nah, hell nah.
They were not being on cash on it.
No. Red, I'm gonna talk bullshit blocks.
Okay, I got cash on it.
Just like, put 'em like, got it. Yeah, bro. So I'm gonna go to All Out. Yeah, I'm gonna go to All Out and get my tune done with him for a street tune. Yeah, ver como jala, way. I've never really tuned a GMC before. I've tuned a Chevy before with the 5.3. It was alright, but it wasn't through him. No, it was somebody just tuned it for me, one of my boys. But yeah, I appreciate you, bro. These bitches go hard, bro. They're nice. Damn, bro. Hell yeah. What truck did you say you were gonna put them on?
Oh, on my Silverado back
Oh,
there.
yeah?
Yeah, it's an 04. I put a 6.2 in there.
Yeah?
But I haven't gotten around to like fixing it yet.
Yeah. Well, fuck, let me get your Instagram, bro.
Alright, yeah, so I can see it.
Yeah. What is it? Sheesh, that's you right there?
Yeah.
I love those fucking... Is it cat eye?
Yeah, it's a Catter.
Yeah, bro, I love fucking cat eyes, bro. They're so clean,
Yeah,
dude.
I had sold my 2014 to buy one of those to see how it flags.
He's gonna put them on that cat eye. Went a different route, huh? Going a different route or what?
Yeah, I'll probably just put some SS's on it. But I just plan like on buying the back drag pack. I don't want like a full drag pack on it.
Yeah.
And
Neta, fool, I'm so hyped. Like, I found these, bro. Like, I appreciate you, dog. Good looking out.
Alright,
Yeah, bro.
thank you.
Subscribe to my channel, bro. I'm gonna be posting it. Appreciate you, bro. Good looking out. No. Síguele grabando ahí. Mira, güey, las llantas nuevecitas, pa. Don't ask me how I get these deals, guys, because I don't even know myself. I just surprise myself every time I go on Facebook Marketplace and there's a deal and I hop on. That's what all you cuz need to do. Hop on the deals. Could have been you. I don't even have room in my garage. Look at my garage. Nada de espacio tengo, la verga. Está grabando, sigue grabando. Sigue, la luz está roja. A ver cómo lo voy a meter a la verga, güey.
allá, güey, donde está el gato, mira. Quita el gato.
Lo bueno que no pesan nada. Bueno que no pesan nada. Mira, la grave la llanta de la Lightning, güey, está punchada, mira. That just goes to show I don't even drive this truck. The tires are getting flat on it. Creo que nada más pesan como unas 10 libras cada una, güey, las llantas. Pero estas pesan menos, yo creo que porque tiene las llantas de gomita, güey, y esas son de llantas así como regular. Ay, pendejo. ¿Sabes qué pensé? Ay. Quiero ver cómo se mira al lado de la troca. Ay. A ver. Del otro lado antes. caer?
No.
Bien belincona. Ahí está, mi gente. ¿Cómo se mira hoy? No, pues no se mira. A ver. Stay tuned for the video. God damn, my boy just pulled up. Sheesh. Stay tuned because I'm gonna have to do a brake conversion kit. I have to go smaller brakes. I'm gonna get disc brakes so I can put these 15s on it. But my boy's gonna help me. You're gonna help me do it, right?
Oh yeah, what are we doing?
Conversion, because these are 15s. So
Oh, that'd be cool as fuck.
yeah, I got the kit. So all I need to do is get the calipers and the disc brakes.
Okay.
But
Yeah. How does that work when you pull?
I messaged you, bro, for the C10.
I have
You
photos.
look, I can't buy them now. I bought some wheels.
No, you're good.
Yeah. So what do you think? Should be easy, right?
Not bad to do on these.
I mean, what? Because somebody they just told me it's just the pad, the calipers, and the disc brakes,
Yeah.
and then I have this too. Look.
Oh, so you got the brackets and everything.
Yeah. So all I have to do is go to AutoZone and put them on and get the rest of the parts.
Yeah. Rebel makes a kit for this stuff. Rebel,
How much are they?
6-piston kit. Fronts and rears.
Just rears. Only for the rears. That's how
That'll
it's
be
gonna
about 400 or 500 bucks just for the caliper.
On 1320, they have the list, the part list.
Yep.
They say just go to AutoZone.
Yeah.
AutoZone, I can get the rest. This is the only thing I had to get.
Yeah.
But damn, bro, I was messaging you for the truck.
Bro, I'm sorry.
Iba a comprar la troca. Tiene una, what year?
80.
Una 80 Chevy blanca. Do you have a picture? Show me a picture real quick. I'm gonna post a video on YouTube on how to do the brake kit conversion. My boy's gonna help me. I was gonna buy this off of him Saturday and he never messaged me back, and I went and spent the wheel money.
Man, I'm
Se le iba a
sorry.
comprar, güey, pero míralo, me gasté el dinero.
¿Cuánto lo vende eso?
$1,000, 1,500, 1,500, right, you said? Yeah.
Papel y todo.
Yeah. Está chingona.
¿Un proyecto, no?
Un proyecto, project. Sheesh. My boy's gonna help me do this brake kit conversion soon, so stay tuned for that video, guys. That's gonna be it for today, so don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel, and I'm gonna be posting more videos of how to do this kit conversion, guys, so peace.